Sharetribe's console helps you streamline day-to-day marketplace admin operations. In this video, we're taking a look at how console filtering can help you identify users, listings, or transactions that require action from you or that you want to notify users about. So let's take a look at some practical examples, and for that, we'll go to console. On your user management page, by default, you have all users listed. At the top, there's also a search bar where you can search users by name, email, or ID, and then next to the search bar, you'll find the filters. And there's plenty of different options to choose from here. So I have user approval enabled in this marketplace because I want to review each user before giving them access. This is a setting you can turn on in the access control settings, which you can find in the build section under General. There are quite a few users pending approval on my marketplace, and I need to approve them so they can access the marketplace. To make it easier to identify the users who are pending approval, choose Data where State is pending approval, and then click Apply. And now you'll see all the users and only the users who are pending approval. I then go through my review process for each of them and approve the users who meet my criteria. Another recurring task could be granting user rights, meaning posting, transaction, or listing viewing rights. User rights are another group of settings which you can enable or disable in the access control settings under General. And on this marketplace, only registered yoga teachers can post listings, so I need to confirm their status before granting them the posting rights permission. And these users register under the user type teacher. To see any teachers without posting rights, I filter the data where a user type is teacher and can post listings is no. And console returns all users who fit this criteria for me. Then I go through the users and grant posting rights to the teachers who have provided details of their credentials. And this same process can be used for the other permissions as well, so you could have a review process for transaction rights or the right to view listings. Let's take one more recurring task you could have. This is approving listings. It's pretty similar to user approval. This is also something you can enable in access control. It means listings won't be published until a marketplace operator approves them. And similar to user approval, on the listing management page, so let's navigate there, you can filter listings by state. So choose listings where state is pending approval. And then the filters return only listings that are pending approval, after which we can go through them one by one and approve the listings that meet our standards. So yeah, that's just a few ways you can use console's filtering to streamline day-to-day operations. But how about monitoring and tracking marketplace performance? That's the next video. See you there.